Lester and Anthony Rizzo are cancer survivors, and both do a lot of work for pediatric cancer research and for the families of children who are suffering from the disease. Rizzo's cook-off for cancer, that was Thursday night, raised $270,000. Lester will stage his own event later this summer. His foundation is called NVRQT, that's short for Never Quit. And he already has had a meet and greet here for families of kids with cancer, and he plans to have several more later this summer.
Yeah, it was something he did while he was in Boston, Ken. He said they normally try to do those events while the Red Sox are on the road, but they're doing plenty of them here in Chicago in his first season in this town.